Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about a brand new AI model that's making web design way easier and honestly kind of changing the game. It's called Kimi 2.5, developed by Moonshot AI. Now, you might not have heard of it yet, but there's a good chance you've already used it without realizing. If you're using tools like Cursor, the Composer 2 model is actually powered by Kimi 2.5. So, what exactly is Kimi K2.5? It's an open source, open weights AI model that's quickly becoming one of the best tools for programming and web design. Now, based on benchmarks, it's competing directly with models like Google Gemini, Claude, and even OpenAI's Codex. So, in fact, in some tests, it's tied for first place, especially in design related tasks. But benchmarks are one thing. So let's see how it actually performs in real world web design. So for the test one, we're cloning a website from a video. So for the first test, I took a high quality website with lots of animations, things like scroll effects, transitions, and micro interactions. Normally, recreating something like this would take hours, maybe even days, but instead of giving Kimi screenshots, I gave it something different, so a screen recording of the website. I uploaded the video, type a simple prompt like clone this website, and here's what it generated. So it recreated the landing page, including the animations like zoom ins, fade ins, and layered effects. So it's not perfect, but as a starting point, from just a video, that's honestly impressive. Now for test two, which is image to website. So I tested turning a static image into a full website. I uploaded a random screenshot of a design I like and asked Kimi to rebuild it. And the result, it didn't just copy the layout, it actually improved it. The design had better color usage, smoother animations, and overall felt more modern. So it even added sections that made the site more engaging. That's something you don't usually see from AI, and it didn't just replicate it, it enhanced. Now for test three, which is cloning a live website. So for this one, I gave Kimi a real website, one of my favorite designs. All I did was paste the link and asked it to clone it. Then Kimi analyzed the site, broke it down, and generated a working version with similar visuals and animations. Even the small details like moving lines and layout spacing were recreated surprisingly well. Now for task 4, which is text to website. Now this is where things get interesting. Instead of giving it visuals, I just described the kind of website I wanted using text. No references, no images, just a prompt. And Kimi generated a full website design from scratch. What stood out here is creativity. So, unlike other models that tend to generate generic layouts, this one actually felt unique. The design had personality and it didn't look like a copy paste template. Now, for task 5, turning images into animations. So, I tested something fun, turning a static UI image into an animated component. So, I uploaded a design and asked Kimi to bring it to life. And it did exactly that. So the result included smooth animations and even interactive elements, like objects reacting to cursor movement. So this is super useful if you want to quickly create engaging UI components without coding everything from scratch. Now for the last test, which is visual editing. So another feature I really like is visual editing. Instead of rewriting prompts over and over, you can just click on parts of the design and just tell Kimi what to change. For example, I selected a button and I said add a white outline. Kimi went into the code, made the change, and updated the design instantly. So this makes the whole workflow feel more intuitive, like you're directly editing the website instead of prompting blindly. Kimi also has its own coding tool called Kimi Code CLI, so similar to tools like Claude Code. So it runs in your terminal and helps you generate and manage code more efficiently. So it's not just about design, it's also powerful on the development side. Now, here's one of the most unique features, agent swarms. Kimi can create multiple AI agents up to 100 at the same time to work on a task in parallel. So I tested this by asking it to research the top web design trends for 2026. Instead of me spending hours browsing blogs and videos, Kimi deployed multiple agents, each with specific role like UX expert, animation specialist, or design researcher. They analyzed major websites like Apple, Google, Amazon, and then compiled everything into one detailed report. So, all organized and explained clearly. This is insanely powerful if you're doing research or content creation. Now, overall, I'm really impressed with Kimi K2.5. It's not just another AI model, it's completely ecosystem for design, coding, and automation. If you're into web design development or even just experimenting with AI, this is 100% worth checking out. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want a Gemini powered website fast, you've got to check out Wibera. Most people spend hours, even days, trying to build a website. You need to write the content, pick a design, edit images, arrange sections, and if you're not a designer or developer, it becomes a headache. But with Wibera, you can skip all of that. Just describe your business, type what you want, and Wibera uses Gemini level AI intelligence to instantly create a complete website for you. It writes your text, designs your layout, chooses your colors, generates your images, and makes everything mobile friendly. No coding, no design skills, just results. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, creator, or running an agency, Webera helps you build beautiful, professional websites in minutes. You can launch landing pages, portfolios, service sites, anything faster than ever. So if you want a clean, modern, Gemini powered website right now, click the link below and try Webera today. Don't wait, your website is literally one click away. So what are you waiting for? Get Wibera now. Just go to getwibera.in.